Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
Ano masasabi mo, Janine, sa gathering ng mga ABS-CBN stars for this special?
I'm so happy to be here, MJ. Kasi sa totoo lang, I feel like I've been absent from the studio for the whole year. Sa dami lang nang nangyari, I've always been absent sa ASAP. But I'm so happy na talagang kasama pa rin ako sa Christmas special. And sabi ko nga kanina na sobrang grateful ko talaga sa kapamilya and Tita Cory, Sir Carlos, Sir Mark, kasi throughout all the hardships na nangyari sa family namin this year, na hindi naman secret, they were there. So, I'm so grateful. I'm super grateful.
This special shows the kapamilya spirit.
Sobra. Kasi ang saya-saya ko na isa akong kapamilya kasi hindi lang siya trabaho para sa akin. Talagang ramdam ko yung alaga ng pagiging part ng ABS-CBN at isang kapamilya. And I hope na ganun din yung nararamdaman ng lahat ng mga ibang kapamilya sa bahay, abroad, na nandito tayo para sa kanila.
2026, what are the plans?
I'm excited. I have a series coming out first quarter of next year. So, sa wakas, masasagot na kita tungkol doon.
I know, you've been keeping
Thank
it.
you for your patience.
I know.
Yeah.
It's one of the most exciting things. I know marami pa. Sinabi ni Jerry sa amin that you guys will be working together for a film. Is that right?
Yes. Pero, those are in development pa. So,
Got it.
hindi ko pa rin alam kung ano yung timeline.
Got it.
Yeah.
Okay.